Hey everyone, get ready to smile because I've got something exciting to share. Join me at the upcoming Illusion Dental Conference IDS in Goa on the 5th, 6th, 7th April, where I'll be diving into the world of lithium disilicate Emax crowns, veneers, etc. It's going to be a crowd tingling experience. So let's explore the art and science behind these beauties. This conference is curated for all you dental enthusiasts. Alongside yours truly, a lineup of esteemed speakers await to unravel diverse topics in the realm of dentistry. From cutting edge techniques to revolutionary insights, get ready to immerse yourself in a sea of knowledge. So mark your dates, my friends, and I hope to see you all in large numbers. And we promise it to be a milestone event. So brace yourself for an unforgettable experience of knowledge and fun in Goa from 5th to 7th of April.